Start. Therefore, while examining the award within the parameters permissible under Section 34 of Act 1996 and while examining the determination of compensation as provided under Sections 26 and 28 of the Act 2013, the concept of just compensation for the acquired land should be kept in view while taking note of the award, considering the sufficiency of the reasons given in the award for the ultimate conclusion. Stop. In such event, an error, if found, though it would not be possible for the court entertaining the petition under Section 34 or for the appellate court under Section 37 of Act 1996 to modify the award and alter the compensation as it was open to the court in the reference proceedings under Section 18 of the Old Land Acquisition Act or an appeal under Section 54 of that Act, it should certainly be open to the court exercising power under Section 34 of Act 1996 to set aside the award by indicating reasons and remitting the matter to the arbitrator to reconsider the same in accordance with law. Stop. The requirement of reasons in support of the award under Section 31 subclause 3 is not an empty formality. Stop. It guarantees fair and legitimate consideration of the controversy by the arbitral tribunal. Stop. It is true that arbitral tribunal is not expected to write judgment like a court, nor it is expected to give elaborate and detailed reasons in support of its findings, but mere noticing the submissions of the parties or reference to documents is no substitute for reasons which the arbitral tribunal is obliged to give. Stop. Howsoever brief these may be, reasons must be indicated in the award as that would reflect thought process leading to a particular conclusion. Stop. To satisfy the requirement of Section 31 subsection 3, the reasons must be stated by the arbitral tribunal upon which the award is based. Want of reasons would make such award legally flawed. Stop. In what we have discussed above, it cannot be said that High Court was wrong in observing that no reasons have been assigned by the arbitral tribunal as to whether the period of completion extended by the employer for 18 months was due to reasons not attributable to the claimant. Stop. Howsoever, in our view, the High Court ought to have given the arbitral tribunal an opportunity to give reasons. Stop. Provided further that the requiring body shall is no case compel any owner of the land whose land has been acquired to take its share